First, you're going to remove the four 12mm bolts holding in your top mount intercooler. You're going to want to remove the 6 10mm bolts holding in your bumper along with all the pop clips as shown. Once you have the bumper completely off, you're going to want to head under the car and get out the four 12mm bolts holding in your skid plate. Next, you're going to have to take out the 8 12mm bolts holding in your crash beam. To install the new bracket for your front mount intercooler, you're going to want to use the 8 12mm bolts. Alright guys, last thing is, since it's been raining the last few days, I was not able to get me installing all the piping on camera, so I'm just going to go over it. So for this front mount intercooler, there's only 3 pipes, so it's very hard to get it mixed up because everything fits perfectly. While attaching the pipes, you want to use the given couplers as well as the 2 clamps on each ends. Now for the bypass valve end, I know most people don't show it. You have 1 coupler that goes to your bypass valve and 1 that goes to your stock turbo. Alright guys, that is it for this week's video. Make sure you stay tuned for Friday's video. I'm going to be installing just 1 more mod onto my car. As always, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!